Question is for Direk and the cast. Paano nyo hinahandle ang judgment or stigma that sometimes comes with doing BMX projects?
I handle it like a professional, pero at the same time, enjoy ako sa ginagawa ko eh. I love this job, tsaka I'm looking forward na hindi naman siya sobrang the way the people see. And because the way I see it, it's actually fun, and at the same time I do it professionally, so walang negative para sa akin. If the people see it, it's okay. Pero yung sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, just always think na some people think it that way, pero some people really like it so much. So, na-appreciate ko yung work na to, so hindi ko masyadong iniisip yung negative part. Ayun lang. Thank you.
Okay. So, pwede ko magkwento? Kasi before this press conference, sobrang kinakabahan po ako. Pumunta ako ng Cubao Expo para, alam mo yun, to talk to someone. Yun yung main objective ko. To talk to someone, a stranger, tapos kukwentuhan ko siya about my film. And then, nung nandun ako, parang na-shy ako na mag-approach to someone. Then, may lumapit sa akin. Puno siya ng tattoo sa mukha. Tapos may may hoop. Anong tawag sa ganon? Yung funnel, ganyan. Tapos nag-alok siya sa akin ng sticker. Sabi ko, pwede niya bang bentahan, ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, patingin muna. Nagtanong ako sa kanya about the sticker. Sabi niya, bakit may ahas dito? Bakit may torch dito? Ganyan. So sabi niya, ba't ang dami mong tanong? Sabi ko, syempre, artist to artist. Kailangan kong intindihin kung bakit ko bibilin to. Before ko bilhin, di ba? Kailangan ko maintindihan kasi 100 pesos yun, tas 3 sticker lang siya. Then, sabi niya, okay, sige, i-explain niya sa akin na for enlightenment yun, na may mga different chakras, ganyan. Tapos tinanong niya, teka, artist ka din? Sabi ko, anong klaseng artist? Sabi ko, Viva Max artist. Sabi niya, talaga? So you do porn? Tapos sabi ko, no, hindi. I do provocative storytelling. Then, nung tinanong niya, so may mga penetration ba dyan? So instead na parang ma-offend ako, talagang tinignan ko siya, ito siguro yung magiging audience ko, ganito yung magiging tingin sa akin ng tao. And I didn't take that offensively. Instead, I enlightened him na, okay, ito yung trabaho ko. Kinwento ko sa kanya yung buong story ng Latina. And then sabi ko, okay, after this, do you still think of me as a porn artist or a porn star or an artist? Sabi niya, definitely an artist. Kasi I've been passionate about this film ever since from the start. Storyline pa lang, talagang tinignan ko muna kung kaya ko siyang ganapan. Then, nung first time ko ma-meet si Direk, sobrang nonchalant niya na nakaganon lang siya. Tapos sabi ko, ako kasi kapag may na-meet akong isang tao, nag-aano agad ako, parang inaano ko talaga yung energy na binibigay ko sa tao para same energy yung ibalik nila sa akin. So yung approach ko kay Direk, I really love the story, ganyan. Sabi ko, I really see myself, gusto ko ilabas dito yung Cubao, Parañaque, and iba't ibang versions of myself through Catalina. Tapos sabi niya, alam mo, buti ka pa, sobrang na-appreciate mo. So yun, from there, nagkaroon na mediate yung energy all throughout the entire filming. Hanggang sa dulo, mararamdaman mo yung passion, yung pagiging professional ng mga kapwa naming actors. So, yun. Yung stereotype, nasa inyo naman yun kung paano nyo siya makikita. But, yun, isa din yun. Parang isa sa mga sinuggest sa akin ni Direk na panoorin is yung Lost in Translation. Isa din sa mga line na nagustuhan ko is yung sinabi ni Bill Murray na as long as you know what you want and you know yourself and you know what you want, nothing can upset you. So kahit anong sabihin ng tao, tingin sa akin is a porn star or whatever, I do provocative storytelling and yun, nakikita ko sarili ko as an artist. So the stereotype doesn't bother me at all as long as I know na ito yung motive ko and my craft. Yun. Thank you.
I would just like to say na ever since kasi I'm a cinephile. I've seen a lot of movies and many of my favorite films are have elements of sensuality, have erotic elements, basic instinct, Mulholland Drive, and marami sa mga alamat na aktor ay hindi natakot na ilahat yung mga sarili nila. Kasi like andyan sila, like pag tinignan mo, sila Nicole Kidman, nagubad. Sila Halle Berry, nagubad. At hanggang ngayon, nire-respeto natin sila for it. So, I guess what I'm trying to say is there's nothing shameful about being confident with who you are, and there's nothing shameful about our bodies. Hindi siya nakakaya. Actually, ang nakakaya is yung tinatakpan mo ng katawan mo. At our default, hubad tayo eh. Itong mga suot natin, hindi naman ito parte ng katawan natin. So, yung judgment, I would say, first of all, hindi ko naman nababasa yung mga yun kasi hindi ako nag-scroll through social media. And second, I really, really do not care. Yun lang.
Thank you po.
Thank you. That was just